Good morning, students. Through this recorded session today, we will have the revision of the lesson Two Stories About Flying Part 2, and the title is Black Aeroplane. Here I have prepared a detailed summary for the revision of the same, and here it starts. The narrator says that one day he was flying his old Dakota aeroplane at 1 o'clock in the night. The moon was coming up in the east behind him. Stars were shining in the clear sky above him. He was flying his old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. He was dreaming of his holiday. He was looking forward to being with his family. He decided to call Paris Control. Then he called Paris Control through his radio device. Over the radio, he said that he was on his way to England. He duly turned to the direction as suggested by Paris Control. He had to turn his plane 12 degrees west. Everything was going well. Paris was about 150 kilometers behind him. Then suddenly he saw stormy clouds. They looked like black mountains in front of him. He knew he could not fly up and over them. At first, he decided to go back to Paris, but he also wanted to get home. So he took the risk and flew into the storm. He could see nothing outside the aeroplane. Everything was black. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. He looked at the compass. It was dead. He tried to contact Paris Control as he was lost in the storm, but found all his devices dead. Then, in the black clouds, he saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings. He could see it flying next to him in the storm. He was glad to see another person. The pilot of that black, strange plane was signaling to follow him. The narrator thought he was trying to help him, so he followed him. He flew for half an hour. Now he had fuel to last for 5 or 10 minutes more, so he began to feel frightened again. Then the other plane started to go down. Suddenly he came out of the stormy clouds and even could see a runway. He looked for his friend in that black aeroplane. He wanted to thank him, but the sky was empty. He went into the control tower there at the airport. He asked a woman there about his location and also about the other plane. She looked at him strangely and then she laughed. She told him that there was no other aeroplane flying except that of his. The author was wonderstruck. He wondered then who had helped him to land there safely while he was without a compass or a radio and even without any more fuel in his tanks. Then who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? So, students, it was the detailed summary of the lesson, The Black Aeroplane. Hope you all have understood it. Thanks for watching the video. May you all have a good day ahead.